Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Biryani is a versatile dish and can be prepared with chicken, mutton, fish and vegetables. In this video, I am going to make prawn biryani in a pressure cooker. So this is simple and very easy to make. Without further ado, let's get started. I have taken 300 grams of long grain basmati rice. Soak the basmati rice for 30 minutes. Once soaked, strain it and keep it aside. I have taken 500 grams of prawn, cleaned and deveined it. We need to marinate the prawns with the masalas. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander powder, half a teaspoon of Turmeric powder, salt to taste and mix well. Marinate the prawns for 30 minutes. Soak in 6 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of Kas Kas. Once soaked, add in 3 green chilies and a fistful of coconut. Add in 5 garlic cloves. In goes 1 big piece of ginger. Add in half a cup of shallots. Grind these masalas nicely by adding half a cup of water. Take a pressure cooker and add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in the whole spices such as bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, mace. Add in few raisins and cashew-nuts. There is no specific measurements to add all these spices. You can add as much as you need. Once the spices are cooked, add in 300 grams of soaked rice. Saute it for a couple of minutes and remove it. We are doing this so that the rice doesn't stick to each other while cooking. Remove the rice from the cooker and we are going to make prawn masala. To the same pressure cooker, add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. In goes 2 sliced onions. Saute it nicely until it turns light brown color. We could say this biryani is 1 pot meal. Pressure cooker is enough to make this biryani. Onions are fried well. Now add in the coconut paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the masalas goes off. So this masala has shallots as well. The coconut paste is cooked well and add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Corriander powder, half a teaspoon of Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. I have added 1 tablespoon of water so that the masalas doesn't burn. In goes salt as needed. Add in 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it nicely until all the masalas cooks well. Add in half a cup of coriander leaf and half a cup of mint leaf. Give it a mix and cook it. Now add the star of the dish, which is prawn. Saute it so that everything combines well. The prawns doesn't take much time to cook. Add in 1.5 cups of water. I added half cup of water in coconut masala bowl. Hence it looks like coconut milk. Since we are cooking in pressure cooker, it will take 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of basmati rice. Cover it and cook until the gravy boils. Use the same cup for measuring rice and water. Now add in the basmati rice. Mix it and check for salt. If needed, you can add salt at this point of time. Now cover the pressure cooker and put the weight on. Cook it for 2 whistles at very high flame. Look at it friends, prawn biryani is cooked perfectly. Add in 1 teaspoon of ghee for extra flavor. Cool the prawn biryani slightly and mix it gently. Our kitchen is filled with the aroma of prawn biryani. Isn't it so easy to make this prawn biryani? Definitely try it and share me the feedback. We serve this prawn biryani with onion and carrot raita. This is so delicious and will be feast for seafood lovers. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.